Hi, this is our introductory video to turnkey ozone systems through Ozone Water Systems Incorporated. My name is Steve Hutchison. I'm the Technical Support Manager. Today I'd like to go over the different parts that are involved in a turnkey system. The noted difference between a turnkey system is that it contains all the parts that are necessary from go. So in general you would typically buy an ozone generator. With this you get the ozone generator, the pump, the air prep, dryer, and all the associated controls that are involved in a turnkey system. Quite often our customers will call and they'll need a customized air prep system. This is exactly that. You have your compressor, you have your filter train here. Here on the end, it's a little harder to see, but you have your large air dryer. This system is sufficient to feed an ozone system in itself because it's dry air to a -100 degree F. Although very often our customers need a higher output, but they don't really need a much larger generator because we can feed them the dry air into an oxygen concentrator. Most of our concentrators are AirSet brand. Here we have an AS20 or an ASA, and here we have a Topaz Ultra. Both of these are standalone units. The one difference is that these units have their own compressed air source, whereas this would be fed from a dry air system. So from here we would feed the dry air either directly to the ozone generator, or we would then feed it to an air oxygen concentrator, AirSet oxygen concentrator, and then feed the output of that to the ozone generator. From here we've got a large standing filtration system for the water. We've got a chilled water cooler down here for recirculating the water through the system. We've got our pump for our injector system down here on the bottom. Welcome back. This is the back side of that custom skid we were discussing before. As you can see, we've got all our plumbing for our water chiller, for our heat exchanger, and our water transfer pump. All of this is customized stainless steel plumbing. We build it here in-house. We assemble it all, we passivate, we test, everything is up to code. This is our ozone degas chamber. As the water is pumped from the pump through the injector, the ozone is drawn in through the injector, comes into this chamber, from here it falls out, the water is separated and is pumped back through this system to recirculate. This is our degas valve. It's stainless steel, it's an Armstrong, it's very sturdy, and it's going to off-gas into our P-trap assembly. This is a customized stainless steel P-trap. This P-trap is probably a bit more than you would need on a standard system. We also make P-traps in PVC and clear so that you can see what kind of reaction you're getting and whether or not you've got water moving through the system. This here is the housing for our dissolved ozone monitor. This dissolved ozone monitor controls all of the systems up front. So this will drive the ozone generators up and down based on what the input is from the customer's demand. Say they need 0.3, 0.03 parts per million, it doesn't matter. They can interface on the front through the panel, or they can remotely hook up and send a feedback signal to drive the system up and down. From the P-trap, our ozone comes off, is broken out of the P-trap, the water falls out to a drain, the gas will then come through to our D-strut. A skid will entail a stainless steel frame that's completely welded and polished. It would have all of these items that are in this customized cabinet mounted just to the frame itself. So this is a fairly customized system and it's for one specific customer. So on this system we've got our filter, we've got our water chiller. Keep our water at a specific temperature depending on where you're at in the world. This will make a big difference. It'll also remove a lot of the moisture from the air and keep your cooling water for your ozone system at a constant. This system, I believe, is for the recirc on this loop. From here you have an air conditioning system installed actually on the cabinet. This will keep the interior of this custom cabinet to a specific temperature. 78, 80 degrees is generally about where you want to keep it. This way you don't have to worry about installing this into an area that has a large amount of humidity and is going to cause you problems over time, as humidity really is the bane of all oxygen and ozone production. So the air prep comes through, feeds the dryer, and is then fed to our ozone generators. These are Clearwater CD2000Ps. They're very basic, but they're very solid constructed, and we sell quite a bit of these, especially in the water industry. So from here we come out of our ozone generators, and we go through a site flow before, so that if we lose gas flow, our ozone generators will shut down. We wanted to take a moment to point out the custom control panel. This is all built in-house. Everything here is arranged, laid out, and mounted here at Ozone Water Systems. The program is written by our head engineer, Shane Christopherson, and basically you can see that this system is UL approved. This controls all of the system. It'll actually turn on and off the air prep system. It'll control an oxygen concentrator, and it also handles all the controls, which we'll go over. What's going to happen if we get water backed up into our system? Well, the first thing that's going to happen is that it's most likely going to break the dielectrics in our ozone generators. The dielectrics are probably running at somewhere around 120 to 150 degrees F. When this water passes through, if it were allowed to pass through, it would push up through the dielectrics first, shattering both the glass and the dielectrics in your ozone generator would basically be rendered useless. So in this custom cabinet, you can see, if you look down here, this is a small OEM ambient ozone monitor. If there was to be a leak from either one of these generators, ozone being heavier than air would drop towards the ground. Once it goes by this sensor would pick it up, and it would shut the ozone off completely. There's many other types of ambient ozone controls. There's external, there's wall mount, but this unit actually integrates perfectly with our control on our skid. Many of our skids, every skid we have will have some type of ambient ozone control, and it's incredibly important for not only the health of the overall product, but the health and the safety of the individual using it.